வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தாலும் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. Hi viewers, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் Class 8 Unit 7 Urban Changes During the British Period Book Exercise Question and Answer and Higher Order Thinking Question. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, ancient towns are Option A, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Option B, Delhi and Hyderabad. Option C, Bombay and Calcutta. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is Option A, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Second one, coastal towns developed by the British were Option A, Surat. Option B, Goa. Option C, Bombay. Option D, all of this. The correct answer is Option D, all of these. Third one, a new trend of urbanization began in the later half of 19th century as a result of Option A, opening of Suez Canal. Option B, introduction of steam navigation. Option C, construction of railways. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is Option D, all the above. Fourth one, the British arrived India. Option A, for trading. Option B, for preaching their religion. Option C, for working. Option D, for ruling. The correct answer is Option A, for trading. Fifth one, Fort St. George was constructed by the British in Option A, Bombay. Option B, Kadalur. Option C, Madras. Option D, Calcutta. The correct answer is Option C, Madras. Sixth one, which of the following port was the East India Company's principal settlement until 1774? Option A, Fort St. William. Option B, Fort St. David. Option C, Fort St. George. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Option C, Fort St. George. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, the network of railroads in India was introduced in dash. The answer is 1853. Second one, dash rightly regarded as the father of local self-government in India. The answer is Lord Ripon. Third one, the Government of India Act of 1919 introduced dash in the provinces. The answer is diarchy. Fourth one, dash was responsible for the formation of the corporation. The answer is Sir Josiah Child. Fifth one, Francis Day and Andrew Gogan got permission to establish a factory cum trading post at Madrasapattinam in dash. The answer is 1639. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, Bombay, Seven Island. Second one, cantonment towns, Kanpur. Third one, Kedarnath, religious centers. Fourth one, Darjeeling, hill stations. Fifth one, Madurai, ancient town. State true or false. First one, towns flourished since prehistoric times in India. True. Second one, British acquired political control after the Battle of Plassey. True. Third one, Fort William is in Madras. False, because Fort Williams is in Calcutta. Fourth one, army people began to live in cantonments. True. Fifth one, Madras was officially renamed as Chennai in 1998. False, because Madras was officially renamed as Chennai in 1996. Fifth Roman letter, choose the correct statement. Number 1, assertion. India became the agricultural colony of Britain. Reason, the one-way free trade policy followed by British and the Industrial Revolution destroyed Indian indigenous industries. Option A is correct and R is wrong. Option B, A is wrong and R is correct. Option C, A is correct and R explains A. Option D, A is correct and R does not explain A. The correct answer is option C. A is correct and R explains A. Second one, which of the following statement is or are not true? Statement 1. Sri Rangarayulu gave the English the grant of Madras Pattanam. Statement 2. Day and Gogan were jointly responsible for the construction of Fort St. George. Statement 3. In 1969, the state of Madras was rechristened as Tamil Nadu. Option A, 1 only. Option B, 1 and 2. Option C, 2 and 3. Option D, 3 only. From these three statements, we should find out the statement which is not true. So the answer is option A, 1 only. That is, statement 1 is not true because Damarla Venkatapati gave the English the grant of Madras Pattanam. Third one, assertion. British built up their alternative capitals in hilly areas. Reason. They found the Indian summer inhospitable. Option A. A is correct and R is wrong. Option B. A is wrong and R is correct. Option C. A is correct and R explains A. Option D. A is correct and R does not explain A. Here the correct answer is option C. A is correct and R explains A. Sixth Roman letter, answer the following in 1 or 2 sentences. Question number 1. What is an urban area? Question number 2. Hilly areas were distinctive features of colonial urban development. Why? Question number 3. Name the 3 presidency cities. Question number 4. State any 4 reasons for the new trend of urbanization in the 19th century. Fifth one, write short note on cantonment towns. Sixth question, what were the regions covered in the Madras Presidency during British regime? Seventh Roman letter, answer the following in detail. Question number 1. Describe the colonial urban development. That is, we have to explain about port cities, cantonments, hill station, railway towns. Question number 2. Trace the origin and growth of Madras. Question number 3. India became an agricultural colony of Britain. How? 8th Roman letter, project and activity. Question number 2. Mark port cities, cantonment towns, illustrations on the outline map of India. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.